Hello friends, this is your physics Sita ma'am. Today in this session we are going to see expression for electrical power and electrical energy. First we'll see what is electrical power. So power, what is power? Power is nothing but work done by time, right? Or else work by time. So we can take that P is equals to dW by dt. So what is W? So what is potential first of all? V can be taken as W by Q. In the electrostatic potential and capacitance chapter, we learned that V is equals to W by Q. V is the electric potential, W is the work done by charge. So what about W from this? W can be taken as, when you cross multiply, what we will get? V into Q, right? Yes. So D into, instead of W, I am going to take it as V into Q by dt. So which means V dQ by dt. V into, what is the current formula? Current I is equals to dQ by dt. So I can take that VI. So P is equals to V into I. That's a power. Power, electrical power is equals to V into I. So this V into I can be taken as again from the Ohm's law. We know very well that is V is equals to IR. So instead of V, I am going to just take it as a IR into I. That means I square R, right? Yes. So we can take that P is equals to I square R also. This is the expression for electrical power. In the case of electrical energy, what is energy? Energy is nothing but W can be taken as VIT, right? Work done. So power is VI. So in the case of energy, that is work. So work is equals to energy to do work, right? So work can be taken as, power is equals to work by time. So work can be taken as power into time. Yes. What about this power? Power answer we got, that is VI, which is equals to VI into T. What is V? As per the Ohm's law we know V can be taken as IR. So IR into I into T, which is I into I will become I square R into T. Again, if he wants to change this expression, that means V is equals to IR. What about I? I is V by R. So I square means I can take this as V by R the whole square into R into T, right? So 1R gets cancelled, means remaining will be V square. Only 1R got cancelled, so 1R will be there. V square R into T. So this is another expression. Instead of this, we can take this also. This is the electrical energy. That's a work which is equals to V square by R into T. And this is the expression for power. I hope you all understood this. Thank you.